Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Pika-BOO for Halloween. All right, here we go. Let's start with Pikachu's head. So we're going to make a curved line that goes across like this. And then in this drawing, Pikachu's ears are sticking out from his ghost costume. So we'll make two little lines like this. They almost look like C's. And that's where his ears will go. Okay. Next, let's draw the side of his face. I'm going to start here on the left. And the line's going to curve in and out. Same on the right side. Curve in and out. All right. Next, let's work on his arms. And his arms, they're going to come straight up, curve around, and back in. Same on the right side. So they go straight up and back down, like that. His arms are covered up with his costume. And then let's draw a line down. And then it's going to kind of squiggle across for the bottom of his ghost costume. Perfect. All right, let's jump back up top and we can draw his ears. So I'm going to start on the right side at right where this point is, and we're going to do a curved line out. And then the same type of line back in and connecting it to this other point. And then Pikachu has little black tips at the end of his ears. Okay, now let's draw the same thing on the other side. Start at the top, curve line out, and back in. And then draw that little tip on the end of his ear. All right. And now in this costume, all you can see really is Pikachu's eyes. So I'm going to go close to this left ear and draw a circle. And same on the right. And then Pikachu has little circles on the inside. That's going to be the highlight of his eye, and we'll save that. That'll be white later. All right. Now let's draw his feet. So go to the bottom of his body, and we'll draw a curved line in. And then his little feet curve around like this. And then let's go to the right side. We're going to do the same thing. Curve line in. And then draw his feet around. And then we will connect those lines right there. All right, last step. Let's work on his tail. So jump back up to near the top of his head, right underneath his ear. And we're going to draw a line that goes straight out. And it's almost the length of his ear. And then a line that comes down, and it's angled out just a little bit. And then it comes in about midway near his arm. And then down. And then in again. And down one more time. And in again. It almost looks like little stair steps. And then to draw the inside of his tail, let's go right underneath his arm. I'm going to do a line down and a line across. All right, just like that. Our Pikachu looks great. Now let's color. Our Pika-BOO looks amazing. All right, now pause the video if you have to, because it's time for Pika-BOO to go trick-or-treating. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.